So a mobile measurement partner essentially provides marketers and developers ways to measure and analyze their performance through marketing campaigns, usually paid campaigns, but as well as organic. And I guess the post effect of that is being able to really optimize customer acquisition or user acquisition, whichever term you want to use, and be able to really track which channels works for you and which channels don't work for you. Here's a great one-liner from Appsflyer as well. And here's a couple of examples. We've got Appsflyer there on the left-hand side, branch metrics, Java, and adjust. When I was working for Audible, they were using Java at the agency I was working with, but most companies and most of the clients I work with, we use Appsflyer. But again, it doesn't really matter which MMP you use, it's how you use the tool that matters in the end. Why do you need an MMP? Well, very obvious. You want to be able to understand app conversions from a different source of truth rather than just your internal database. You want to see if that actually matches with your marketing channels data, and you want to be able to understand attribution more correctly, whether that's an app install or a sign up or a particular custom event within your app. Second thing is you want to be able to understand which channels actually work for you, which doesn't, whether that's a specific channel like Facebook ads, Google search, it could be Apple search ads, or is it more organic installs? So being able to visibly see which channel works and where you should portray more attention or budget to. Even though an MMP isn't necessarily a product analytics tool, there is an aspect of analytics to it, so you're able to see which events are triggering the most or which conversion points are triggering the most within your app journey, as well as understanding drop-offs, so you're able to create custom flows, understanding where the drop-offs are coming from. You might not necessarily know why. Product analytics software is your other friend, I guess, in this aspect. Talking about product analytics, the final point why you need an MMP is being able to use that data or that understanding to be able to support your product team, product analytics team, or your data analytics team, and more importantly, your marketing team. Being able to contextualize what's working, what isn't working, and how you can optimize your user acquisition journey. At a pretty basic level, the important things to track are obviously your signups, your app installs, uninstalls as well, so that's called reattribution. In-app purchases, including the revenue that you get from those conversion points, so you can understand your return on ad spend. Again, this is very correlated to your marketing team, right? They need to understand what's working, what isn't, how much is our customer per acquisition or customer per install, customer per sign up, customer per conversion. And then the final thing you want to be able to track within your app is obviously any specific custom made events. So beyond an app install and sign up, it's actually understanding any other conversion points you have within the app. Another term for that is a post conversion, and a custom event doesn't have to be just one action, it could be 3 actions under one. And that's called a group conversion or a group custom event. Just to summarize the video, the reason why you want to use a mobile measurement partner or an MMP is to essentially both measure and optimize your marketing channels so that you can better gain users and retain them through the various channels that you'll utilize. Thank you for watching the video. If there's any comments or questions or suggestions, leave them below. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Peace and love.